baffled. Confused, puzzled, or unable to understand something. She was completely baffled by his strange behavior. I'm baffled by the complex directions. Caring. Someone who is kind, helpful, and shows concern for others. She was very caring towards her patient. She is a lovely girl, very gentle and caring. Content. Feeling satisfied or happy with what you have. He seemed more content with what he has. I am content to stay here with you. Devastated. Extremely upset, shocked, or destroyed emotionally or physically. She was devastated by her husband's death. I was devastated when she passed away. Disheartened. Feeling sad, disappointed, or losing confidence because something did not go as expected. Don't be disheartened by a single failure. She was disheartened when she heard the bad news. Ecstatic. Extremely happy, excited, or overjoyed. She was ecstatic when I won the game. They were ecstatic about their new job. Embarrassed. Feeling shy, awkward, or uncomfortable because of something you did, said, or that happened. I feel embarrassed when I make a mistake at work. She was embarrassed by her son's behavior. Furious. Extremely angry, very mad, or full of rage. She was furious about it. My mother was furious when I failed at exam. Infuriated. Extremely angry or enraged. My mother is infuriated with aunt's constant criticism. He got infuriated by his behavior. Lonely. Feeling sad because you are alone or have no one to talk to. I am feeling lonely in a new city. He lives a lonely life after moving to town. Melancholic. Feeling very sad, gloomy, or deeply thoughtful in a sad way. I noticed her melancholic when I talked to her. I saw him with a melancholic, laying on the couch. Pessimistic. Someone who expects bad things to happen, or thinks negatively about the future. She was unduly pessimistic about her future after failing the first exam. It would be too painful and pessimistic not to hope and believe in you. Restless. Unable to rest, relax, or be still. Feeling uneasy or impatient. The kid was so restless from his pain. I didn't sleep last night and felt restless. Shy. Someone who feels nervous, timid, or not confident when meeting or talking to people. She is always shy at school. She feels pretty shy around me. Sleepy. Feeling tired and wanting to sleep. You should have a nap because you look sleepy. I am feeling sleepy, so I want to go to bed. Startled. Surprised or shocked suddenly, often in a slightly scared or anxious way. The cat was startled when he heard the unexpected sound. I was startled by the explosion. Terrific. Extremely nice, good or excellent. He got a terrific gift from his brother. Your team did a terrific job on the presentation. Terrified. Very scared, extremely afraid, or frightened a lot. I was terrified after a nightmare. She was terrified of the black cat.